Ang susunod sa ating listahan, people follow you because they want to. Permission level leadership. Yan ang tawag ni John Maxwell sa level 2 ng 5 levels of leadership. Ngayon, ano mga dapat mong gawin as a leader sa level 2? You need to build a strong relationship with your people. Ano yung mga skills na dapat mong i-develop? Communication skills, especially listening and being able to show empathy. So, importante that you're able to care about people. Hindi lang show care, but also genuinely care about people. And you will realize that as you care genuinely about your people, it will start to show in your behavior. Care about their welfare, their health, yung kanilang growth. Care about that. And you will realize that as you do that, they will try to reciprocate the caring that you provide. Now, ano ang mga signs na nag-struggle ka or stuck ka sa level 2? Tandaan mo, pang level 2 pa lang tayo, kailangan mong pumunta sa level 3. Oo. Kasi kapag ka-stuck ka sa level 2, puro relationship na lang, wala nang results, di ba? So, ang isang sign na you're stuck is when people are disengaged. Masaya sila, but they're not turning in results. Number 2 is yung poor communication of the work, di ba? Maraming chika, masaya ang usapan kapag ka nagla-lunch break, pero pagdating sa trabaho, poor ang coordination. Hindi pwede yan. And of course, when you use the relationship, take advantage of it to work people hard, make them work hard, pero you fail to recognize and care for their wellness. Dahil mauubos ang ating mga tao, mababurn out sila. So, kailangan nating iwasan yun. So, ano ang kailangan mong gawin para makarating sa level 3? Abangan yung susunod na video.